Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Dana and today I have this moussaka with eggplants because eggplants are in season here. It's summer and the markets are filled with beautiful eggplants. I bought 5 of them. I washed them and I'm gonna cut them in slices. They look amazing. I'm gonna need some salt and olive oil. I'm gonna cut them in slices thick about 1 centimeter. Place them in the oven tray on baking paper. I'm gonna sprinkle them with salt and drizzle olive oil over them, and I'm gonna bake them in the oven at 180-200 Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes until they will be soft. You can fry them in a pan in oil, but I prefer to bake them. Seems more healthier. Am I right? In the meantime, I'm gonna make a bechamel sauce from 900 milliliters of milk, 120 grams of flour, 120 grams of butter, 2 egg yolks, Parmesan, nutmeg, and salt. And I'm gonna put butter in a pot on the fire on the stove and let it melt. Add flour over and mix it really good. Add milk cold over that, and now let it cook slowly on slow fire until it's gonna be thick. Add salt and nutmeg, and mix with a whisk because you don't want this to start burn underneath. So make sure to mix it and cook it on a slow fire. It's nice and thick now, so I took it off the stove and add egg yolks and incorporate them really good in this mixture. Add of course Parmesan cheese, and I will add a bit more later. Nutmeg again because it's full of flavor, and freshly grated one it's even more. And I will add a bit more cheese, and cover the pot with cling film and make sure that the cling film touches the surface of the sauce, because this way we prevent forming that crust, and let it cool down. Let's prepare now the filling. I have 800 grams of minced meat, pork and beef, a large onion, a few cloves of garlic, cinnamon, 50 to 100 milliliters of wine, 250 grams of tomato sauce, olive oil, and a few bay leaves, and also I'm gonna need salt and pepper. I'm gonna put some olive oil in a pan and cook the meat. Add chopped onion over it. Don't forget the garlic. I chop it really fine and add it in the pan as well. and let the onion and garlic get soft. Add spices, cinnamon, salt and pepper. Add now the wine and let this mixture cook a bit longer. The longer you cook it and on slow fire, the tastier will be. Add tomato sauce and add this for color and for the sweetness of tomatoes. Bay leaves and let it simmer on the stove for about 10 more minutes. And after eggplants are cooked as well, let's assemble the dish. I put some olive oil in a dish and arrange eggplants at the base of it, like I will do with the lasagna, with the noodles for lasagna. Cover all the surface with eggplants because that's the structure of our dish. Add the mixture of meat on top of it, a few tablespoons, and spread it really good. After that, a few tablespoons of bechamel sauce and spread it as well in an even layer on top of that. You can add some cheese like mozzarella or Emmentaler, some grated cheese, and alternate all these eggplants with meat mixture, bechamel sauce, grated cheese, until we finish all ingredients. Finish the dish with bechamel sauce, of course, and level it nicely on top of everything. And of course, cheese. I'm gonna sprinkle more of that Emmentaler cheese, and I'm gonna grate more of that Parmesan. And I'm gonna bake this in preheated oven at 180 Celsius, 350 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes until everything is gonna be nice and golden on top, and the cheese will melt and will look absolutely delicious. You can serve this worm, or you can reheat it the next day. It's gonna be even more delicious. Try to let it cool down after baking for a bit in order for you to be able to take out slices like this. Looks good, it's simple, it's affordable with ingredients that we have now handy. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you really enjoy the recipe today. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click the bell, the notification. Give a thumbs up if you like my videos, my recipes, and also please comment down below, make suggestions, and I'll make sure to read and reply to you as soon as I can. Thank you so much again. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you here next time. Until then, find reasons to smile. Bye bye.